Have you ever wondered why some people effortlessly achieve financial success while others struggle to make ends meet? Are you curious about the psychological barriers that hold us back from mastering our money and unlocking our full financial potential? In a world inundated with myths and misconceptions about money, how can we discern truth from fiction and take control of our financial destinies? Is investing only for the wealthy? Is debt always a burden? Can anyone achieve wealth, regardless of their income level? Are you ready to transform your money mindset, overcome obstacles, and embark on a journey toward lasting financial success? Subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's embark on this empowering exploration together, where knowledge is your compass and empowerment is your destination. 1. Understanding financial laxity. Financial laxity is a pervasive issue affecting millions of individuals worldwide. It stems from various sources, such as mounting debt, job insecurity, or unexpected expenses. This anxiety can significantly impact mental health, leading to stress, sleep disturbances, and even depression. One of the key contributors to financial anxiety is the fear of the unknown. Uncertainty about future financial stability can create a constant sense of unease, making it difficult to focus on other aspects of life. To address financial anxiety, it's crucial to first identify the root causes. These might include overwhelming debt, lack of savings, or a sudden loss of income. Once the specific triggers are recognized, individuals can take proactive steps to manage their financial situation. This could involve creating a realistic budget, negotiating with creditors to develop manageable repayment plans, or seeking professional financial counseling. Additionally, practicing mindfulness techniques, such as meditation and deep breathing, can help individuals manage their anxiety by staying present and reducing overwhelming thoughts about the future. Furthermore, seeking social support is essential in coping with financial anxiety. Talking openly about money-related concerns with trusted friends, family, or a therapist can provide emotional relief and valuable perspectives. Supportive networks can also offer practical advice and resources, helping individuals feel less isolated in their financial struggles. 2. Dealing with imposter syndrome in finances. Imposter syndrome in the realm of personal finance is a phenomenon where individuals doubt their financial abilities and feel like frauds, despite evidence of their financial accomplishments. This can be particularly challenging in a society where financial success is often equated with self-worth. Imposter syndrome can manifest in various ways, such as feeling undeserving of a promotion or doubting one's ability to invest wisely. One of the reasons imposter syndrome thrives in the financial domain is the complexity of money management. Many people find financial jargon and investment strategies intimidating, leading to self-doubt. Moreover, societal pressures to achieve certain financial milestones, such as homeownership or early retirement, can exacerbate feelings of inadequacy. To overcome imposter syndrome, individuals must recognize and challenge their negative self-perceptions. This process starts with acknowledging achievements and understanding that everyone, regardless of their financial knowledge or background, can learn and improve their financial literacy. Education and awareness building play a pivotal role. Accessible resources, workshops, and online courses can empower individuals to enhance their financial knowledge, boosting confidence and dispelling imposter feelings. Furthermore, reframing the narrative around financial setbacks is essential. Instead of viewing failures as proof of incompetence, individuals can perceive them as valuable learning experiences. Embracing a growth mindset, where failures are stepping stones to success, can help counteract imposter syndrome. Setting realistic goals, celebrating small victories, and seeking mentorship from financially knowledgeable individuals can provide a roadmap for personal and financial growth. In summary, understanding financial anxiety involves identifying triggers, seeking support, and practicing mindfulness, while overcoming imposter syndrome. requires education, self-reflection, and a positive mindset. Both challenges are surmountable with the right strategies and support systems in place, enabling individuals to navigate the complexities of personal finance with confidence and resilience. Cultivating a positive money mindset, cultivating a positive money mindset, is pivotal for long-term financial well-being. It involves reshaping beliefs and attitudes about money, focusing on abundance rather than scarcity. A positive money mindset starts with gratitude. By appreciating what one already has, individuals can shift their focus from what is lacking to the opportunities for growth and financial abundance. Regularly acknowledging and expressing gratitude for financial blessings, no matter how small, can foster a sense of contentment and reduce the constant desire for more. Another essential aspect of a positive money mindset is reframing negative beliefs about wealth and success. Many people grow up with limiting beliefs around money, such as "money is the root of all evil" or "I'll never be wealthy." Challenging these beliefs and replacing them with empowering affirmations can transform one's relationship with money. Affirmations, when repeated consistently, can reinforce positive beliefs and boost self-confidence in financial decision-making. Additionally, embracing a mindset of financial abundance involves prudent financial planning. Setting clear financial goals, whether short-term or long-term, provides a sense of purpose and direction. It could be saving for a dream vacation or retiring comfortably. Breaking down these goals into actionable steps and creating a budget to achieve them can instill a sense of control and accomplishment. Building financial essence. Financial essence is the ability to withstand and recover from unexpected financial challenges. Building resilience requires proactive measures and a strategic approach to financial planning. One fundamental aspect of financial resilience is the establishment of an emergency fund. Having a reserve of money set aside for unforeseen expenses, such as medical emergencies or unexpected car repairs, provides a financial safety net. Financial experts often recommend having at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in an emergency fund to weather unexpected storms without resorting to high-interest debt. Furthermore, diversifying sources of income enhances financial resilience. Relying solely on a single income stream, such as a job, can leave individuals vulnerable in times of economic uncertainty. Exploring side hustles, investments, or freelance opportunities can provide additional income sources, increasing financial stability and preparedness for unexpected financial setbacks. In addition to these proactive measures, adopting a flexible mindset is crucial in building resilience. Financial plans may need adjustments due to changing circumstances, and being adaptable allows individuals to pivot and make necessary changes without feeling defeated. Regularly reviewing and updating financial goals and strategies can ensure alignment with current needs and aspirations. Lastly, seeking professional advice from financial planners or advisors can provide personalized strategies for building resilience. These experts can help individuals create comprehensive financial plans, navigate investment options, and make informed decisions, ensuring a strong financial foundation even in the face of economic challenges. Building a positive money mindset and financial resilience are ongoing processes that require commitment, patience, and a willingness to adapt. By cultivating a positive attitude towards money and implementing practical strategies, individuals can not only overcome immediate financial challenges, but also thrive in the long run, regardless of the uncertainties life may present. Overcoming common money myths. In today's information age, misconceptions about money abound, leading to poor financial decisions and missed opportunities. Addressing and dispelling these myths is essential for individuals to make informed choices about their finances and achieve long-term stability. One prevalent myth is the notion that you need a large income to build wealth. While a higher income can certainly accelerate wealth accumulation, the key lies in how one manages and invests their money. Budgeting wisely, saving consistently, and making prudent investments are accessible to people across various income levels. It's not just about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow through smart financial planning. Another common misconception is the belief that all debt is bad. In reality, not all debts are created equal. While high-interest credit card debt can be detrimental, strategic use of low-interest debt, such as a mortgage or a business loan, can leverage investments and lead to financial growth. Understanding the difference between good and bad debt empowers individuals to make informed borrowing decisions aligned with their financial goals. Furthermore, the misconception that budgeting is restrictive and tedious hinders many from managing their finances effectively. Budgeting is not about restricting spending, but rather about allocating resources purposefully. It provides a clear overview of income and expenses, enabling individuals to prioritize spending on what matters most to them. Modern budgeting tools and apps make the process more straightforward, allowing users to track their finances in real time and make data-driven decisions about their spending habits. Lastly, the myth that financial success is solely determined by luck perpetuates the idea that individuals have little control over their financial destinies. While luck and external factors can play a role, personal financial habits, discipline, and education have a significant impact on one's financial outcomes. By investing in financial education, making informed decisions, and practicing prudent money management, individuals can take control of their financial futures, irrespective of external circumstances. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey of financial education. If you found our content valuable and inspiring, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos, ensuring you never miss a valuable tip or insightful story. Your support fuels our mission to create a financially literate future generation. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Liking our videos helps us reach more viewers, spreading the message of financial empowerment far and wide. We also love hearing from you. Share your thoughts, questions, or personal experiences in the comments section below. Your comments not only enrich our community, but also provide opportunities for meaningful discussions. Thank you for being a part of our community dedicated to teaching kids about money. Together, let's shape a brighter, financially savvy tomorrow for our children. Subscribe, like, and comment now, and let's continue this important conversation.